ओके, तो दो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रूब्रिक्स, ठीक है. वन इज वाइवेशियसनेस एंड वन इज चीयरफुलनेस. ठीक है. अभी वाइवेशियसनेस और चीयरफुलनेस ना, दीज टू रूब्रिक्स लुक वेरी सिमिलर विद each other. We always confuse, should I take this rubric as vivaciousness or should I take it as cheerfulness? So what is the difference? Vivaciousness क्या होता है और cheerfulness क्या होता है? So we have to understand vivaciousness is like when that personality is full of energy. You see lot of energy in the personality. He is very lively, एकदम जिंदा दिल बोलते हैं ना, very lively, full of energy, full of liveliness, and they are very animated. Animated मतलब क्या? वो लोग बहुत lively होंगे, full of energy होंगे, animated होंगे, मतलब उनकी activity में बहुत movements होंगे. बैठेंगे नहीं एक जगह. They will not sit at one place and like, I'm so happy, I'm so friendly. No, he'll get up, he'll go there, he will come there. He will be so animated, so full of movements, right? The moment I think of rubric vivacious, मुझे एक बंदे की याद आती है, रणवीर सिंह. Just think about Ranveer Singh when you want to think about rubric vivaciousness. क्या क्या है रणवीर सिंह में? रणवीर सिंह is full of energy. He is always energetic. उसका डांस देखो, उसका मूवमेंट्स देखो, उसकी ड्रेसिंग सेंस देखो. ही इज़ वेरी लाइवली. उसके जो जोक्स होते हैं उसमें चिढ़ाना होता है, एकदम जब वो आता है ना खुल के बात करते हैं, एकदम जिंदा दिल है. ओके. एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली ही इज़ वेरी एनिमेटेड. वो एक जगह बैठता नहीं है, इधर खड़े होके बात करेगा, उधर खड़े होके बात करेगा, इधर डांस करके बात करेगा. ही इज़ फुल ऑफ मूवमेंट्स, यू नो. तो मोस्ट रेमेडीज विच आर मोर एनिमल क्वालिटी रेमेडीज, जिनमें बहुत एनर्जी है ना, दे कम इन वाइवेशियसनेस. लाइक यू हैव लैकेसिस, you have Crocus sativa, you have Apis mellifica, also plants like Hyoscyamus, you have Coffea cruda, you have Valeriana. And remember we have prescribed Valeriana to the personality. She was full of energy, she was such an energetic remedy, Valeriana, and she got fantastic results. She was so full of energy and she was life of the party, जहाँ पर she used to manage things. So this is vivaciousness. So remember, vivaciousness is full of life, full of energy, lot of movement seen with the energy, lot of activity seen with the energy. Zinda Dil, Ranveer Singh. Okay. Now similar rubric, cheerful. Cheerful में क्या है? Cheerful is a quality in a person. Yeah, when you say a person is cheerful, when you see two things in that personality. One is they are very happy. Second, they are very optimistic. They will be very smiley. They will not be happy or smiley for a group of people, for the audience, but they are having a quality to be happy. They are having a quality that they are very optimistic people. And when a person has these two qualities, when he is very happy and he is very optimistic, automatically he is always smiling and he is very cheerful. So you take the rubric cheerful. Okay, they show a lot of happiness, they spread a lot of happiness, they are very smiley people and very optimistic, noticeable happiness. Not necessary vivacious लोग happy रहेंगे. Vivacious people will not be happy, they are just full of energy, they are zinda dil, they are very animated, but they can be very sad. But cheerfulness is an inborn quality of peace, happiness and optimism. Okay, this is remedy. We have Cannabis indica. We all know Cannabis indica is one of the most contented remedy. Just imagine किसी ने marijuana लिया है, क्या state होगा उसका? एकदम happy, contented. And marijuana जिस आदमी ने लिया है, वो तो अपने दिमाग में पहाड़ भी चढ़ सकता है एक रन में. So he's so optimistic. He can do anything. He can just do a bungee jumping, he can jump from a cliff. He's so optimistic. Example. So Cannabis indica, Coffea cruda, Hyoscyamus, they all come in cheerfulness. So don't confuse. These are very confusing rubric. कब मुझे vivacious लेना है और कब मुझे cheerfulness लेना है. Cheerfulness हमें तब लेना है जब हम वो patient में happiness और optimism देखते हैं. और वाइवेशियसनेस में बहुत एक्टिविटी देखते हैं, इंटेंस एक्टिविटी, बिकॉज इंटेंस एनर्जी विथ लाइवलीनेस. ओके, One more rubric, nagging. Dr. Venkatesh had asked me to explain about nagging. Nagging is to harass someone continuously if they want something to be get done. For example, एक बच्चा कैसे nag करेगा, मुझे ये चॉकलेट दिलाओ 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 दिलाओ, अरे आई कैन डू, रात को 12 बजे दुकान बंद है, नहीं मुझे चॉकलेट दिलाओ 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 दिलाओ. He will keep on telling, you know, he will keep on telling, he will keep on nagging. When opposite person cannot do or he doesn't want to do, but the person who is a nagger will keep on telling again and again, तो वो जो opposite person he goes into a state of irritability. So then you have to take the rubric nagger. Now हमारे पास patient कैसे आएगा, डॉक्टर मुझे ठीक करो, डॉक्टर मुझे ठीक करो, डॉक्टर मुझे ठीक करो, मैं ठीक नहीं हो रहा हूँ, डॉक्टर ये दवाई नहीं दिया, वो दवाई नहीं दिया, आपने ये टाइम मुझे 5 गोली का डोज क्यों दिया डॉक्टर, डॉक्टर मेरे को तो अभी ठीक हो जाए. कीप ऑन टेलिंग समथिंग विच यू डोंट वांट टू डू. That is 9. Again, one rubric interesting is contemptuous. What do you mean by contemptuous?
Expressing of feeling someone is worthless, not respecting someone, looking down on them.
Contemptuous is what? जो रेमेडी आता है ना contemptuous में, वो है प्लाटिना, वो है विराट्रम एल्बम, याद रखना, वो है लक्स वोमिका, वो है चाइना, वो है पैलेडियम, वो है सिक्यूटा. तो वो रेमेडीज कैसे हैं? दे आर वेरी हॉट, दे हैव अ स्टैंडर्ड. ओके, प्लैटिना हैज अ मेंटल स्टैंडर्ड कि आई एम अ क्वीन. नक्स वोमिका हैज अ इंटेलेक्चुअल स्टैंडर्ड. आई लाइक दिस काइंड ऑफ वर्क, आई लाइक दिस काइंड ऑफ परफेक्शन एंड नो वन कैन compete with my perfection and my work. Okay, Viratram has a social status and he thinks no one can come near me because I am someone superior with everyone. They have a social standard. Okay, right? Now when these remedies like Viratram, Palladium, Platina, Palladium, I am so beautiful, no one can match my beauty. So, उन्होंने क्या किया है, अपने आप को कहीं ना कहीं लोगों से ऊपर रखा है, राइट? ऊपर तो रखा हुआ है. दिस इज नॉट गुड टू कीप योरसेल्फ अबव समवन. नो वन इज अबव, नो वन इज बिलो, एवरीवन इज इन देयर ओन प्लेन ऑफ जर्नी. करेक्ट? पर जब हम किसी को अपने से ऊपर रखते हैं तो हम किसी को अपने से नीचा समझते हैं. जब हम किसी को अपने से नीचा समझते हैं और साथ में हम बहुत हॉटी हैं, हम में बहुत ईगो है, हम में अपनी पोजीशन को लेके बहुत एरोगेंस है, तो व्हाट वी डू, वी ट्रीट ऑपोजिट पर्सन एज योर इंफीरियर. एंड व्हेन एन ऑपोजिट पर्सन ट्राइज टू टेल एनीथिंग, ट्राइज टू एक्सप्लेन एनीथिंग, दे विल टॉक इन अ वे or they will express their feeling in a way that they express with lot of attitude, they express with lot of hatred, they express with lot of disapproval, tiraskar. Okay, they feel as if I am something better and who are you to tell me what I am. For example, Palladium will tell, who are you to give me tips on beauty, I am the most beautiful person. Nux vomica, who are you to tell me how to work, I am a successful person, I am a nux, who are you, get lost, this is nux. For example, Viratram, I am something, I have achieved something, I am at this position in society, who are you to tell me. So they have a very contemptuous view, their attitude is very contemptuous कि सामने वाले को तिरस्कार वाला feeling आता है. Then you have to think of rubric contemptuous. Okay, and there's again one rubric which is jesting. Now, what is jesting? Jesting is a way, a attitude of a person where he likes to play jokes. Why? In order to amuse others, not to amuse himself. दूसरों को हंसाने के लिए वो jokes करता है. That is jester. Okay, he will try to entertain others, लोगों का amusement करने के लिए he will throw humors, he will throw jokes like Chandler in Friends, हम वो serial देखते हैं, very humorous. Okay, so this is in short about this 4 pretty rubrics. We just have to understand the fine differentiation of these rubrics, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now,